Hey, my name's Geneva, and if you love DIY, upcycling, and making a home you love, you've come to the right place. Honestly, there is no better feeling than the satisfaction you get from taking something old or unexpected and DIYing it to reveal its true potential. Ever since I was young, I've been addicted to doing these types of transformations, like to a thrifted outfit, a cabinet, or more recently, a whole house. It's kind of like a Cinderella story, but with way more trial, error, and paint. But let's take it back. In 2010, I started my DIY fashion blog, and by 2012, I'd left my job as a town planner and written my first book all about DIY fashion. A few years later, we bought and renovated a house in Brisbane, and having kids and being in the house unlocked my love of home projects. And I wrote my second book all about making a home you love. Since then, I've become obsessed with making everything around me using secondhand, discarded, and unexpected materials. The best part? Being able to share it with you guys. Some days you might find me hauling a piece of furniture off the side of the road and making it over, and other days I'll be giving a whole room a glow up. Or maybe I'm having a slow breakdown over a tiny dollhouse. Here you'll find upcycles, makeovers, easy DIYs, and me possibly having a slow DIY related breakdown. Stick around, let's get our hands dirty and make something amazing.